Hey, hi, I'm back. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you a wonderful step-by-step story about how build a front-end website for the college using Django framework. So our story has heroes. So first I will write this come notes as well. So we will create as well one of the folder. Before going to that, we are going to create one folder of the project. So please click on Explorer in a visual code and click on Open Folder. And I'm sharing into my D drive and new folder. And that folder name is I can write project one. Okay, this is my folder and select this one. Select folder. So this is my folder, complete Django framework. I'm going to run over the everything. So before going to that, I want to write in notes.txt. So this is my notes, right? 1 minute. Okay, this is fine. So first thing, what is our concept, right? Our concept is creating a college website using Django. This is our concept. So first thing, our heroes. Our story has a hero. Some heroes are there. That I want to tell this completely as a story. That's why to make understand very easily. So there is our stories are there is some participants are there. So our story has heroes. First one is the Python. That is very important for the backend. And pip is for to installation of the external libraries from the Python and virtual environment, the shield. We are going to create our virtual project, Django project on virtual environment. And college is like the principal, and my app is the students. Okay, whatever the left side is there, there's a technical term, and right side I want to tell the story like this. So this is going to fun, right? So let's begin our journey. First thing, before building anything, a good engineer tests whether the tools exist or not, right? So first I checked if Python is installed. So with that command, you can go to the command prompt and you can check this command. The first command is this one, Python space minus dot version. This is the first thing, right? First check this one, and if it is appear, it is if it is if a version appears, Python is ready. If not, please download from official website and install the Python. Then I will check uh, another command, that is pip version, right? So pip version to these two are very important when you want to work with the Django framework. These two are very important. Please check before starting this. And next one, if version appears, uh, pip is ready, right? If not, I install Python. So again, or enable the pip also. That is also another one. Otherwise, you reinstall the Python as well and check everything pip is installed in or not. Only after confirmation both are present, our adventure starts successfully. This is very important. So, okay, so give me a minute.